Welcome back, folks. Going to see if I can figure out why this floppy mechanism's sticking. I looked up on my old blog, and when I repaired it the first time, I had the same issue. So it's probably just gummed up. So let's hope that's the case, and let's get to it. So I don't remember. I'm gonna disconnect this from the chassis. Just to make it easier to work on. And it'll be easy enough to plug in when there we go. Come on. There we go. Now, how do you get this apart? Well, there's 6 screws on the bottom. Let me get something to hold the screws so they don't go rolling around. And I'll start by taking out these. Two. Well, let's see if it comes apart. It should come apart. Yep. Break it. There we go. Okay. Easier just take the whole all 6 out. That's a machine. Oh, those. Okay. Now this should come out. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. So this is in a little steel enclosure. So I'm going to take this apart to really see it. I had last worked on this 7 years ago, so I kind of forgot what taking it apart entailed. But my blog at least reminded me I had the same issue. So this should be pretty quick. Things will come back to me. 10 screws. Okay. Now, So this eject mechanism was gummed up. How does it work? So the thing about the Macintosh is they had a manual eject. It looks like right here. There it is. So this little thing here, as I push it back manually, it should drop down there and push it out, and it's not working. So is it just need, there's a little motor here. I think, is that the motor that ejects? It might be. This isn't that stuck. So there should be a spring. Yeah, when that little thing is hanging up right there. Huh, see? And wait a little bit, it'll go. So the question is, do I hit that? Yeah. Do I try to clean that out? Or do I... Yeah, even the more I work it, the better it's getting. Yeah, I think it's still a little sticky. So I got some isopropyl alcohol here. Just take a little bit. Yeah, there's grease in there. Now, I believe I took this apart last time. I should do it again. I don't know. This whole thing's sticky. Let me have gravity help a little bit. Let's see, there's a little area, a lot of area where it rubs. I wonder if I greased this and I shouldn't have. Just get as as much of this stuff off as possible. See what happens now. See, the end of the Q-tip's got some stuff on it. I could... What? I'm just wondering if I should take this apart. Yeah. Chunk on there too. That was grease I put on there last time. Let's just clean it off. Run clean. Forgot how this came apart. I'm getting grime out of there. This thing, that's on there. The problem is I think this isopropyl alcohol I'm putting in here is actually acting as a lubricant. So I'm a little afraid when it dries that it'll get sticky again. So I've got to let this sit. This thing is like a rivet here, holding that end on. So I can't get it completely off. Pretty sure it's a rivet. This thing here, yeah, they look like rivets. So I can't get it completely off. Should I try it? Turn on the machine and see if I can get it to work with the motors. Man, I'm still getting stuff off there. Yeah, I think I should give it a whirl. So, oh, I don't have it plugged in. Plug it back in. Okay, now. Let's eject. Perfect. Let's do it a couple more times. Eject, Command E on the keyboard. Perfect. So I think I'm just going to let it sit here for a half an hour or so. Let all this isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then if it still works after that, I'll put it back together and I'll be done. So this is super quick. Have a great day.